Hi guys, yesterday I did not upload any video because I did not do much. So I basically just made a server folder with a couple of CMakes and main, and today I'm gonna uh, set up build system to use Boost, uh, and I will try to create a basic event loop in the server with accepting clients and yeah, something like this. So we will see how it goes. See ya. Okay, so at this point I built Boost libraries because I'm not able to just use header only libraries. I need to build the libraries itself. So yeah, uh, it was pretty straightforward. So it was one for Boost. Just in the CMake, the only change to find the boost actually was to just find package boost. For now, I'm searching only for the system to use boost asio, and in the server I have basic like copy paste of the one of the examples of creating endpoint acceptor and accepting um, the incoming clients, let's say. For now, I don't have code for clients, uh, so that will be probably the next step, which I will do in next days. Not today, it's quite late. I'm going to bed. So yeah, that's it. Day 3, omitted day 2. See ya!